Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something I'm going to share with you that I created that I thought that you really might like. As you saw in the thumbnail, it's super cute. This is what I've made, my cute little backpack. It is actually like a lavender color. It's like a lavender gray. But look how super cute this actually came out. So from the advent calendar, the squishy one, I have that little cute little kitty donut keychain on there. I have a little bunny ice cream. I thought it was really cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I made this. Alright guys, so first thing is I bought this cute little backpack from Amazon. I was looking for a backpack that had, you know, several pockets and things, so I found this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this seam ripper and rip this tag off first. Okay, now that the tag has been removed, I'm ready to go ahead and sew on my lace. Now, I sew this lace on the front of the backpack, the back of the backpack, and the two side pockets. I'm just hand stitching it on, one stitch at a time. Okay, now that I've added the lace to the front of the bag, the side pockets of the bag, as well as the back of the backpack, and now I'm going to go ahead and add this cute little Umaru charm that I got from Etsy. Isn't it adorable? Okay, so for the next part, I hand stitched on some pearls on the top of the lace on the front of the backpack, as well as the sides of the backpack on the pockets, but I did not sew any on the back of the backpack. Okay, so now the backpack is done. I got these cute little pins off of Amazon I'm going to put on the backpack, as well as these 3 keychains. I got these keychains from advent calendars over the years. Okay, now that the backpack is done, let's go ahead and get started on the pins. I got a bag of 60 pins, I believe it was, off of Amazon. They're acrylic, they're very lightweight, and they have a built-in safety pin on the back of them. Now, these are so cute, and they each came with a little bitty plastic film on them to protect them from scratches when they were in transport. But look how many adorable little pins there are in here. It took me a long time to decide which one of the pins I actually wanted to put on my backpack first. But the good thing is I can go ahead and change them out whenever I feel like it. Okay, now that I've decided where I'm going to put the pins on the backpack, let me show you the ones that I've chosen to put on my backpack for the very first time. These are really super cute. I love them. I mean, look at this little fluffy bunny. Now, I'm going to put the kitty cat keychain here and the ice cream one here. Now, I'm going to have to get the plastic off of this first. It was really difficult to get it off. Really super shiny and there are no scratches, so I'm glad the film was on there. Now, the pins are easy to open, but it was a little bit of a struggle to actually get it through the backpack since it's kind of thick, but I eventually got it. I had to remove it one time, but it looks great right here. Perfect. Let's do the rest. Okay, so now all my pins are on. It looks super cute. I'm really liking the way that it turned out. Now let's go ahead and put on the keychains. Yes, I'm loving it. It looks really cute. I mean, look how adorable. I love it. I love the colors. It's pastel. It's a very kawaii backpack, and I absolutely love it. And I hope that you do too. It's the perfect size for me, and I have the iPad Pro and it fits in there nicely. So I really love this little bag. I think it's super cute and it was fun. It's perfect for a purse. It's good for a festival. I mean, look how cute that is, guys. Isn't that adorable? I love it. It has another way to hold it like this. Isn't that cute, guys? It's so cute. So I just wanted to share this with you, my little backpack. It's just a cute little quick DIY that I did. Love the way that it came out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys go ahead and make one of these. If you're looking for the pins or the bag or anything, I can link that down in the description below. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.